Hey there, this is Jersey Tom. I'm going to show you how to fix a RedMax style rewind starter. This is for a leaf blower. So this is as if you've broken this string. Now you got your replacement string. Start off by putting an overhand knot towards the end, right at the end of the line there. Make sure that's good and tight, not going to come undone. I'm going to wind this backwards. Actually, this one, I think the spring might be best on this. I'm going to take this one apart. Alright, so this hook right there has to go around this post here. It's actually this side. Don't take that spring out unless you really want to have a mess to deal with. Drop this right in. See that it does now have tension. Put the washer back in, and then screw this back down. Alright, now to start winding this up, we need to turn the inner cartridge back about 6 times. You either do that this way, or by back, I mean the inner part has to go counterclockwise. Or you can hold the inner part and turn the outer part clockwise. It's the same. That's the way I like to do it. It makes it a little easier to hold. Just hold it here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is about enough. There's plenty of tension on here though, so we'll go 6 on this. Now we just feed the rope through the hole in the center of the spindle, or whatever we're calling this, and then get it to come out through the opening on top. Sometimes it could be a little tough to get, once you fed the line in that hole, to get it to come out of the opening, so I just use a shish kebab skewer to help guide it along there. Alright. So now we're going to go ahead and pull that through, and then your knot's going to go in that little recess there. Should see that this works now. To make it easy to put the handle on, we're just going to put an overhand knot in the cord, and that'll keep it from rewinding all the way. Slide the rope through the center of the handle, through the center of the insert, tie a knot. I like a double overhand. Pull that nice and tight. Slide it back into the handle. Slide the handle back into the cover. And undo the overhand knot. And you've got a repaired starter. Get back to work. Here's one of the repaired starters. Let's give it a shot. As always, this is Jersey Tom. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. I'm happy to answer. Suggestions too. Talk to you soon. Thanks.